Hello and welcome. Today we will be playing Brown Eyed Girl. This is a great song for beginners to learn because it uses very popular chords that you'll use in many other songs. We will need chord G, C, D, E minor, and D7. There are a few strumming options, so I'm going to present the easiest first and move up in difficulty, and you can choose the one that's right for you. For my absolute beginners, give every chord 4 beats and strum on beat 1. 1, 2, 3, then switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Days when the rains came. 3, 4. Down in the hollow. Okay, like that. If you can do a little bit more, then strum on beats 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. If you're more advanced, do these strumming patterns with me so that you can warm up. If you can do more than that, then do all 4 beats. Down, 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 down. If you can add a little up after the 4th one, that's better. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 good. And if you can do a full strumming pattern like this, then try it. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Na, 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 na. Down in the hollow, playing a new game. If you know how to chuck, add the chuck. A chuck is when you're strumming downwards and your thumb stops the strings. And look up, it's this part of the thumb. On your down strum, do a little rotation and stop the strings. Down, chuck up, chuck up. And those chucks line up where the snare drum would play, so it kind of shows people when to clap if they're clapping along with you. Down, chuck up, down, chuck up, chuck up, down, chuck up, chuck up. And one final strumming option that I'll give is down, up, chuck up, down, chuck up, down. So you find the one that's right for you and run with it. Or if you want to do a combination of them, that's even better. Okay, so now let's go into the intro. Let's memorize the intro. Memorize G, C, G, D. G, C, G, D. Say that to yourself, G, C, G, D. If you do that twice, you have the intro. So again, beginners, strum on beat 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Here we go, let's play the intro. You got this. Breathe. Good, let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, play with joy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. G for golf. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Hopefully you have G, C, G, D memorized because you will need it for the verse. The first 4 phrases in the verse are that G, C, G, D, G, C, G, D, G, C, G, D, and G, C, G, D. So let's try it. Let's just put it all together. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Hey, where did we go? Days when the rains came. Second time. Down in the hollow, playing a new game. Third time. Laughing and a running, skipping and a jumping. 4th time. In the misty morning forward, our hearts are thumping, and the next phrase changes, but let's do that one more time for good measure, just to get it really in our hands. Here we go. The beginning of the verse. 1, 2, play with joy. 1, 2, ready, go. Hey, where did we go? Days when the rains came. Down in the hollow, playing a new game. chord phrases. That could also mean sentences. So, hey, where did we go? Rain days when the rains came. That's like sentence 1 or phrase 1. So we had 4 phrases in the verse. Now let's go to the last 2 that close out the verse. And this is where we see a new chord pattern. So first we go to a C, 2, 3, 4, D. Ready, go to G, 1, 2, 3, E minor, 2, 3, C, 2, D chord next, G chord, and then D7, 3, 4. Let's do that again. I'm not doing the singing yet, and I'm just playing on beat 1 to train my fretboard hand how to switch these new chords or these new patterns. Here we go. 1, 2, C, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, E for echo. C for Charlie. D for Delta. G for golf. Then D7. Now, whenever I'm learning a new song, I start by just playing on beat 1, and then as my fretboard hand gets more comfortable, I add more of the strumming. But sometimes if we try to do the chord switching and the strumming, it can throw a wrench in our bike and we can trip over ourselves. So I'm showing you the way that I learn. If it works for you, please use it. Let's try that again. 1, 2, C for Charlie. 1, 2, ready, go. When I go, when I go to. Okay, so then once I feel more comfortable with strumming is when I add the lyrics. So let's try that again. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Brown-eyed girl, you're my brown-eyed girl. Okay, let's see if we can put the whole verse together with the 4 repeating phrases of G, C, G, D, G, C, G, D, G, C, G, D, G, C, G, D, and then these last 2 phrases that start on C. I think you can do it. Take a deep breath. That's good. Okay. The verse. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down in the hollow, playing a new game, laughing and a running, skipping and a jumping, in the misty morning, falling on our hearts on new chords. The brown-eyed girl, C for Charlie, you're my brown-eyed girl. When we get to the D7 at the end of the verse, there are 2 different places that we can go. We can go to another verse or we can go into the chorus. When we go into the chorus, we're actually going to hang on to that D7. So we're going to strum down, down, up, again, down, down, up. And then we're going to do a dramatic strum with down, down, and then gently like mute the strings. You don't want to like slap. It's going to be down, down, mute. Down, down, mute. Okay, so practice that for a second. I'm going to show you what the lyrics are in that section. Do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la? So it's fun to add that little stop to get everyone to sing the chorus with you. Let's try that. Just the D7s. 1, two, you can do it, you got this, two, ready, go, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. We used to sing. Go ahead and land that next G over so that we train ourselves to do it. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. We used to sing. Now what we're gonna do is let's glue the last line of the verse to that first line of the chorus, okay? So let's start on C for Charlie. 1, 2, a little slower. 1, 2, ready, go. You my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when? Strum. We used to sing. Let's do that again. A smidge faster. 1, 2, 1, 2. You can do it. Go. You're my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing? Okay, a little bit faster. 1, 2, 1, 2. You got this. Go. You're my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing? Sha-la-la-la-la-la. Okay, so good news is that the rest of the chorus is a pattern that we already memorized. Maybe at this point in the video we've forgotten it, but it's the intro pattern or the first 4 phrases of the verse. So we're going to add that all together. But first, I need a favor from you. Would you please hit the like button, write a comment, maybe hit the share button. Anything that you do to engage with the video helps it perform better, and when it performs better, it reaches more people. So this is a really great way to support the channel. Now, if you would like to send in a donation, I have that down below and on the screen as well. Or even better, if you can join my Patreon community, then for $5 a month, you get all the PDFs that I've ever made. Plus, you get to attend the live lessons via Zoom that I teach. And if for some reason you can't attend, then you can watch the replays that I share exclusively to my Patreon community. I teach twice a week, every week, and I've been doing this for years. I think since 2020 we've been doing these. So I hope that you'll join us over there. It is really fun. And we just dedicate a whole hour to learning a song. You can ask questions in real time, it just makes it more fun. So I hope you'll join us over there. All right, so let's glue together the last line of the verse and play through the chorus. I think we can do this. Here we go. Start from C for Charlie. 1, 2, you can do it. 1, 2, have fun. Go. You're my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing? Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, la-la-dee-da. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-dee-da. Just like that. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-dee-da. Okay, let's pause here. I think we should glue together everything that we've learned, like one of each. So let's glue together an intro, a verse, and a chorus, because the rest of the song is just a repetition of one of those. There's like a bass solo, but it's basically your intro chords. So you can do this. Let's try intro. 1, wait, take a breath. One more breath for me. We've got this. 1, 2, intro. Have fun, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Remember to play with joy. Yeah. Verse 1, 2, ready, go. Hey, where did we go? Days when the rain is king. Down in the hollow sha la 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 ti da. Sha la 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 ti da. Just like that. Sha la 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 ti da. Sha la 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 ti da. La ti da. Please let me know if you enjoyed this lesson. Also let me know what were some of the challenging parts and some of the fun parts, or if you had any light bulb moments, also let me know in the comments. I do try to read every single comment. Remember, you can join our Patreon community to attend live lessons and to get all the PDFs that I make for my students. And if you enjoyed this lesson, please watch the next one in the series. I do have lessons on Hotel California, on Hallelujah. So I think you'll find something that you'll really enjoy. Thank you so much for choosing me as your teacher today. Remember, when you practice, play with joy. Ciao.